Hi everyone, my name is Ashish Pandey and my education is as a ITI. I have 11-year experience. I started my career in 2010. I have working with the last 5 years with Fronius, and when I joined Fronius, that time I am a simple welder, but right now I am working as a application engineer, and in last 5 years I teach or I trained so many people and I learned so many things. My work is related to automotive industries, and now automotive industries to grow boom. So we have a lot of knowledge and we are working as a, I think I am working as a solution provider, not as a welder, not as a technician. So I am proudly says I am a solution provider for Fronius side. I am proud to be a joining specialist.
Hello, my name is Ketan Pujari. I belong to a small village from a district named Sangli. I have completed my diploma in mechanical engineering. After pursuing a diploma, I have started working with L&T Defence Limited as a training engineer. Management unexpectedly drafted me into welding and fabrication area. At start, working with welding felt like painful because of arc eye, skin burning, but today I can say it confidently that I am very lucky to be in this field. After 3 years of working in L&T as a welding and automation supervisor, I got opportunity from a Dubai-based company who manufactures transport equipment to work as a welding supervisor, like a robot programmer and also welding supervisor. After 1 year, I got opportunity in working with Fronius India, and I can say that I am very lucky to be a part of Fronius India family because of free environment and also appreciation to my work. At Fronius, my duties are application support, training of the customer, demonstration of our welding machines to the customer, as well as supporting customers to solve their welding related issues. I am taking care of Pune Automotive customers as well as Nashik and Aurangabad customers. Working at Fronius means fun, learning due to daily new challenges. Also, my communication skills, customer interaction skills are improving due to Fronius. In short, Fronius is just great place to work.
Hello everyone, I am Sridharan. I am working in Fronius India past 6 years. Basically, I am a electrical engineer. I started my career in 2006. That day welding is a very tough job because that day welding technology is entirely different. Now, we Fronius specialists in waveform modified arc. With that we can very easily arrive the proper arc for perfect welding joint. With our Fronius system, we can control and monitor the complete welding parameter, welding all heat input, everything by mobile phone, laptop and tablet itself. This modified arc lit up colorful lights in my life. I am very proud to be a joining specialist.
Hi, I am Rahul Mehta. I am working with Fronius India Private Limited as a tech support engineer. I have done diploma in electrical engineering and carrying an experience of 20 years. I started my career in 2000 as service engineer with a private firm in Jamnagar. In 2006, I joined L&T as a service engineer, and since 2013 onwards, I am working with Fronius India as a tech support engineer. In my current role, I am doing automation system installation, training, troubleshooting, and technical support to customers. When I started my career, I got my first opportunity in the welding field, and since then it has been a perfect joint. I feel that welding is not just related to a welder or helper or just a welding machine. It is an integral part of industry since decades, be it engineering, automotive, defense, railway, refinery, power or shipbuilding. Welding has been instrumental in industrial revolution by providing new technologies and innovative solutions, and so is Fronius. That's why I am proud to be a part of Fronius family, and I am proud to be a part of welding world.
Hi, my name is Jinesh. I am working as a system engineer in Fronius India, and I am responsible for the tech support in welding automation. Basically, I am a mechatronics engineer, and I started my career in 2005 with L&T as a testing engineer in a manufacturing plant in PPM division. But in welding field, my journey started in 2009 when I moved to Evac Alloys Limited, where I got associated with Fronius Welding Systems. And later in 2013, I became a part of Fronius India as well. In the past 10 years, I have installed and handled so many welding systems, including robotic welding systems, SPMs, and customized automation solutions. Also, I have given training to many new engineers in the field as a part of knowledge sharing. During these years, I have seen a lot of technological advancements in welding equipments, and today we are able to see a Fronius system which is having a level of intelligence in it. Means a welding machine built upon modern operating system, having a high-speed digital communication and an accurate control system, and also a power-efficient electrical circuit. So as a mechatronics engineer, I am really happy and proud to be in the welding industry as a part of Fronius India. And of course, in Fronius India, we love what we do. So in my experience, I would say welding field is like an ocean. There is scope for everyone. So keep exploring it.
Hello, I am Saran Raj. I have studied diploma in mechanical engineering. I am born and brought up in Usilambatti, and I have experience of 9-year experience of in welding. People thought the welding is a third-rated job, but after entering in the industry, I realized that welding is a very much important job in the field. While joining in L&T, I learned TIG welding and SMW process only. Later period, I had opportunity to join in Fronius India. I had a very good opportunity to learn multiple processes like LLC, PMC and CFD process. Those processes are very much helping to achieve the customer requirements. Fronius can meet all the welding requirements across the world. I am proud to be a joining specialist.
Hi, I am Sudhir Kadam. I am working as the Head Technical Support in Fronius India Private Limited. I am working in Fronius from last 4 years, but my association with Fronius since 2005. I have total 22 years of experience. I started my career with a small scale industries where I learned about all the departments in detail. I always wanted to join an innovative company. Then I moved towards service career and I joined L&T in 2005 as a service engineer, and that too for servicing Fronius welding machines. Once again, I got this chance to work for the Fronius in 2016 when I joined Fronius India Private Limited. When I joined welding industry, I was not aware about the technological enhancement in the welding industry. When I come to know about Fronius, I was surprised because Fronius is having more than 550 engineers working in R&D department only. Also, they have more than 1,200 patents on their name. Their values are quality, service and innovation. Now I am a part of Fronius family direct from last 4 years, and I proudly say that I am a part of Fronius values. I am working for Fronius business for perfect welding of Fronius India. I am responsible for after-sale services and technical help to internal and external customer at any point of pre-sales and post-sales. I love what I do in this Fronius family. I would like to tell all my engineers friends to be a part of welding industry. It has many things to learn and grow. Thank you.